Bumangga doon sa balikat ni Jervy Cruz. That's never never a pleasurable experience. So at the end of the first half, lamang po ang Rookies ng 8 points, 48-40, and we'll be back with the more action mula sa Puerto Princesa after these. Batlock, and Rob Reyes connects inside.
Sophomores came out here with a big bang, 7-0 run. That lead has been cut down to only 1 right now.
Biggest lead by the Rookies was at 12 points. Here's Timberlake, 2 to shoot. Nice swipe by Dillinger.
It's an wasn't called as a violation.
Action continues. Jeff Chan.
Lumamang na dito kaagad ang sophomore at the start of the third quarter.
Very quick counter-attack here by the sophomore group. And here's Jervy Cruz outside. Timberlake, not really his strong suit. And the forward pass was intended for Bo Belga, intercepted by Urbistondo. Here's Matias. Colliding with Rob Reyes.
Pang-apat na personal foul na yan ni Matias, Miko. He was called for an offensive foul. Rob Reyes sacrificing his body to be able to draw the charge, and he was outside the charge zone. Another good interception there by Urbistondo, this time against Dillinger.
Dillinger actually having a tough game. Committing turnovers.
Well, not his natural position. He can suffice because he can bring up the ball and can dribble. But against the smaller players, another 3-point attempt. But this one a little bit short.
Here's Matias, sidestep. They're allowing a lot of things.
Yeah.
Except that one. Hindi po pwede.
You can do a lot of things except to dance because this is basketball. Hindi ka pwede mag-swing dito.
All right, let's swing it over to Chicky Reyes.
Thank you very much, Miko. It was a light halftime huddle for the Rookies team after sharing a box of pizza with his coaching staff. Said that they will continue to press the sophomores to tire them out and apply the zone defense if they choose to post up and use their height against the Rookies. Miko?
Okay, salamat, Chicky. Si Chiki ang nakapwesto sa Rookies team, samantalang si Dominic naman ang ating mata dyan sa kampo ng sophomore.
Ang kumain lahat ng pizza doon yung coaching staff. Si Canyaleta, si James Yap, si Artadi, si Roger Yap, silang nag-ubos ng pizza ron. Ooh, nice move there. First 2 points of the second half here for the Rookies, courtesy of Timberlake.
But they're still down by 1 point. That's a miss for Dillinger.
Larry Rodriguez about to come back into the ballgame.
Now we'll take this time on. 5:51 remaining in the third. 1-point game para sa sophomores squad.
And special thanks for also Weekend Puerto Princesa 2010 sponsors, Smartboard Elvin Sports, Axel, Mayhart, and Miller, our official outfitter, and Toyolas and Copenhagen, our official cargo mover, Candy, Fix, Sponsol, Sealsol, Percy, the Bahaybo, our outreach sponsors, Sterling, definitely high quality, definitely Sterling, Burlington, our presenter for the Burlington PBA Clinic, Islanders, Cabal Namoling, Tibay Namoling, Bolton for the real game, rain or shine, the official Elasupe of the PBA. And I would like to let you know the MVP of this game will receive
Ayan, marami po tayong mga happenings at aktibidades dito sa Puerto Princesa.
Well, meron yung mga painting dyan, no, partner? By the way, both for the, again, official finalists, ang Puerto Princesas subterranean river national park. Log on to www.net7wonders.com. Pwede kang iboto nyo muna yung atin. Tapos maghanap ko pa ng anin. These are the new 7 wonders of nature.
I actually can't wait to look at that myself tomorrow morning. Pupuntahan yan ng Solar TV team. Meantime, action continues here.
Alam mo, magiging proud tayo dahil it will join like the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, the Colossus of Rhodes, the Pyramids of the Gaza Temple, yung temple ni Artemis and of Zeus. Yun ang mga original, you know.
Kasi pinakamaganda, bumoto sila, pero bisitahin din nila. So they can see for themselves. Menor drives and a very good aggressive move. He will go to the line for a pair of free throws.
Actually, dyan, very easy and register a valid email address and personal information, username and password, then submit the vote. Confirm your email link. Mahirap naman if I give you their international telephone voting, magastos ito. Pero just in case, kung gusto nyo, +44 87 21 84 0007.
Ilang double 07.
0007. Yun. Pero madali na sa email, www.net7wonders.com.
Okay, mag-alala. Dr. J will post it on his Friendster. Ano ka ba? Nasa 30 million friends ka na ata. Let's go to Dominic Uy.
Thank you, Miko. The sophomores realizing that they do have a shortage in point guards. That's why Coach Luigi Trillo advised them, whenever you rebound the ball, look up ahead and pass the ball so that no one guy will have to just push it up. That's why Jared Dillinger has actually been a little bit winded because he's been doing all the point guard chores for this team.
I actually have a question for Dominic. Did you ever think when you were playing with Luigi in LaSalle that he would one day become a head coach in college and then now an assistant coach in the PBA?
Yes.
No, seriously.
No, seriously, because he was definitely our point guard and he always had a lot to say about how we could improve. So you already saw, and especially his dad being a coach, you already could see from the pedigree that they would talk about basketball pretty much 24/7.
So it's in the DNA. It's in the genes, huh?
Yeah. Hindi, almost everything is. Iba talaga yung may lahi. That was a wayward shot there by Ross. Gregorio couldn't finish coming from the outside. This guy can finish. Another foul on Ross, so we'll have Marquis going to the free throw line.
Timeout, rookies.
Okay, timeout po ang rookies at they're down by 4 points here, 55-51. Back in a moment. Ng Team Trillo. Ay, si Rocio Trillo. Look at that. How adorable. At yung sa likod, yan ang totoong head coach ng kanilang pamilya. Si Ria Tanwato Trillo is now an established newscaster.
Yung babae rin yung anak nila may lahi rin.
Ayan.
A lot of our players did bring their families here. I saw Asita Lava with his wife and his kid. I know a lot of the other players also, took the time out because talaga naman break ito sa ating regular wars dyan sa Fiesta Conference. So, bakasyon kasama ng pamilya plus opportunity to see the sights here at Puerto Princesa. Right now we have the sophomores on top by 5 points with a great rally here in the third quarter. They were down by 8 at the half, but they have come back strong here. Great strategy.
Here's Arellano outside. Matias for 3. Ross with an offensive rebound, followed up by the defense. One more try, no go.
Somebody got hit on the head, and that was Ross. Foul is going to be called against.
Foul is on number 17, Larry Rodriguez.
It's against Larry Rodriguez. So they're free throws for Ross. I mean, Ross has the athleticism. I'm sure he has the talent, but there are aspects of his game that he really needs to work on.
Well, see, because in the PBL he looked very good.